Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And today's video is going to be a makeup look just on this fresh, healthy, sweet face, I guess you could say. It's just a really nice, fresh look, kind of just an everyday look. If you like to wear foundation every day, this is a perfect just everyday look because it's super simple, but a little bit glam for every day. So I really like this Born This Way foundation. I used to not like it, but I brought it back out because James Charles always uses it, and his skin looks so good, so I tried it, and I actually do really like it. So if you want to see how to get this fresh, simple, natural-ish kind of look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my hair back, and just like a little ponytail. And we're gonna begin this makeup look. So, to prep the skin, just gonna, you know, primer. Just gonna mix my Fenty and my L'Oreal. I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way foundation in Pearl. I haven't used this in so long, and I might mix in the Healthy Elixir by CoverGirl. I'm not sure yet, depending on how thick it is or what. It might be too light for me, but we shall see. That is like the perfect shade, actually. I'm gonna go with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C9 just to brighten up the under eye and a little bit on the forehead. Not doing my nose because I don't want to rub off that concealer that I applied to cover that red spot. My Maybelline Fit Me powder in light, and set my under eye. For highlight, I'm going to use a liquid and a powder, but for this liquid one, I'm just gonna apply a little bit to give us a nice fresh base. Move on to the eyes real quick, just going with my Just Peachy palette by Too Faced. And I'm not doing much to my eyes, just a little dabadoo.
Okay, who says dabadoo? Like, what?
And I'm just going to mix. I'm just gonna take Just Peachy and Peach Cobbler up here and just mix those. I'm really just blending it on the entire eyelid. So I'm not doing too much to my brows. I'm gonna quickly contour with my NARS Laguna. gonna bronze up the skin with my Catrice bronzer. This is basically like my, not like my everyday, but my everyday little glam if I don't want to get too glam. But if you got like a meeting to go to or an interview, this is a really good look because it's like fresh and sweet, I guess. It's just like fresh and healthy. Blush, I'm going to go in with the MILANI Dolce Pink. This is a little bit more glittery, so keep that in mind. But it's such a pretty color, but it gives you a really nice sheen. I'm just going to go with Prism and just kind of top it over. Just give it a little bit more of a peachy vibe. I'm just going to spray my face before highlighter. Whew. I'm going to go in with the BECCA and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. Such a nice gold highlight. Just gonna dab it out with my sponge so that way it's not as powdery and it's like sunken into the skin. I'm just gonna set my face. And for lips, I'm just gonna go in with a gloss, and this is the Revlon gloss in Snow Pink 205. It's a nice gloss that has a little bit of a shimmer, but it keeps everything super natural. So that completes this little makeup tutorial. Get ready with me. I'm about to go shopping in Scottsdale and pick up a few things to do a like back to school lookbook and stuff like that. And because I'm just like genuinely bored that I just need to shop. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little makeup tutorial. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.